Hello everyone, welcome back to another video with Solidworks. So for this video we're going to be going over some examples to reinforce some of the new techniques that we've learned in the last few lectures. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. So I've kind of got this shape here. So the way I think we should approach it is we should do a revolve to create the body, do a revolve cut to cut out the center, and then create one of these holes here and then do a circular feature pattern to get all 8 in there. So let's go ahead and let's give this a try. So I'm going to go on the front plane. I'll start with the center line, like so. And then I'm going to go over, up, over, up, over. I don't want that to be coincident with that point, so I'll move that up right there, over, and then down like that. All right, so let's take a look at some of the dimensions. I've got 2.05 here. All right, 1.4 here. Okay, I've got 0.95 here. Okay, I've got 0.575 here. Okay, and then I've got an angle of 45 degrees here. All right, and then my outer diameter is 2.25. And that should be everything I need. So now I'm going to do a revolve boss base. Hit OK. And now I've got feature. So now I'm going to put another sketch in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the front plane again. And I'll draw a center line. It goes up like that. Okay. Now I'm going to go over, up, and then I'm going to put a 3-point arc in, like so. Okay. Go tangent. And I've got a diameter of 1. I got 0.5 here. Okay. And I've got 1.93 here. Alright, and that should be everything I need. So I'm just going to close this off like so. Okay, and then I'm going to do a revolve cut. Alright, so now let's go ahead and let's get the holes in. So I'm going to need to create a reference plane on this surface here, but I'm going to go ahead and put a reference sketch so I have something to constrain it to, fully constrain it to. So I'm going to put a center line that goes from this point to here. Okay, I'll exit, and I'll go reference geometry plane, click on this surface, and then click on the point here. That fully defines it, and I'm going to put a sketch on this plane now. Alright, now I'm going to put a circle right here. Now that circle is diameter of 0.2. Let's see if I can't dimension it from here. It's not going to like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a reference point right here, and I'll dimension off of that point. So that is going to be 0.27. Alright. And then I'm going to make this vertical with that origin point. Alright. Now I'm going to do an extruded cut. I don't think I want to do a blind extrusion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at my drop down, and I'm going to select up to next. So that'll extrude it up to this surface right here. I'll hit OK. And that'll get me my hole. So now I'm going to do a circular pattern. Okay. I'm going to select. Okay, so that's selected. I'll select this right here, That gets me everything that I need. I'll hit OK, and that's my part. I'll go ahead and I'll hide the plane, and not the curve, the sketch. They'll hide that extra line. Alright, so I'll go ahead and I'll save this. New folder. Let's see, lecture 5. Examples. Example 1. Okay. Alright, moving on to the next one. I'll open up a new part file. And let's take a look at the next one. Okay, the next one I got this this manifold tree. I got this flange here with looks like 8 bolt holes, and I got these openings here. So I think this is going to be a good one to use the shell feature for, because it looks like I got a common wall thickness all around here, but the thickness of the flange is a little bit thicker, so using the multi-thickness setting will probably make a lot of sense too. And I'll put these bosses in first. That way I can shell those out as well as part of one feature. Let's go ahead and let's give it a try though. So I'm going to go front plane, and I'm going to start with a center line. Okay. Now I'm going to go over, 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 and close like that. Alright, so I've got, let's see, 2.5 as a diameter here. Okay, I've got 3.25 here. Okay, I've got 0.25 here. Oops, nope. Clear it out. Here, escape a couple times. Now I'll try it. There we go. 0.25. And I've got, let's see, 3 here. And that should be it. Now I'm just going to do a fillet here of 0.75. Okay, that should give me everything I need. Now I'm just going to close off the contour like so and do a revolve. Alright, now I'm going to put in the bosses. So I'm going to do a sketch. I'll grab the front plane, and I'm going to put a circle right here. I'll make that vertical like so, and those bosses appear to be 1.25 from the top of the flange. So I'll dimension that 0.25. 0.25, and the diameters are 1, so I'll go 1 here. Alright, now I'm going to do extrude, because they seem to be extruding outward 1.75 in one direction. So it features extrude boss 1.75. Here we go, and I'll do a circular pattern where I'll select this feature right here, select that edge right there, do 4, and hit OK. Alright, so now I'm ready to start the shell. So I'll select shell. The faces that I want to remove this face, this face, this face, this face, and this face. And then I want to shell it to 0.15, and I want this flange to have a thickness of 0.25. So I'll select the bottom side. And that should be everything I need. Hit OK. Alright, and that's my pot. So now I'm going to put the holes in on top. So do a sketch there. I'm going to put 8 circles. Well, I'm going to put 1 circle, then I'll pattern the feature. And it's calling out a common bolt diameter of 2.75, so I'm just going to put in a reference circle. Draw it out like this for construction, and I'll dimension it to be 2.75. And those bolt holes are 0.25. Okay. And make that vertical. Floyd finds that hole. Extrude cut. Up to next. And now I'm going to do a circular pattern. Okay, that's the right extrude cut. Select the edge. I want 8. Alright, and that'll do it for that part. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. If you're liking what you see so far, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content such as this. Until the next video, have a good one. Bye-bye.